So the next thing I want to do now is to show you how to do filtering. Filtering, right? What you do is that just click on this, and I'll show you in a bit what that means. Click on this one and click on filter. So what it will do is that it will put this button on each of the column in case you want to filter anything. For example, if I want to filter only finance, if you click on this, it will show you this drop down having all the different departments there. If you want to select just one, just deselect this first one, deselect, or then select, let's say, finance, and click OK. So this one now is showing us only the people in finance. We have been able to filter out only the people in finance. All right. So let's filter out people in IT, for example. So these are the people in IT. Okay. So let's filter out those people whose first name in IT start with, first name is Chris. So if we do like this, so these are the people whose first name is Chris in the IT department. All right, so if you want to remove the filter, you can go here again and click on this thing to remove the filter. Do you understand? Now, a shortcut way of putting the filter is to do Ctrl-Shift-L. Ctrl-Shift-L. If you click on Ctrl-Shift-L, the filter will come up, and you can do the same thing to remove the filter. That's the shortcut, the quickest way to add the filter to your data. Ctrl-Shift-L to add the filter, and you can filter here based on salary. So I want to filter out people whose salary are greater than, let's say, 50,000 naira. So if I click OK, so these are people whose salaries are greater than 50,000. So salary greater than 50,000. All right. If I want to filter people whose salary is less than, let's say, less than 80K, 80,000. Okay. So these guys, their salaries are less than 80,000. If you check, you won't find anything 80,000 there. All right, so that is filter for you. So I've removed the filter now.